Network marketing is all I've done since I was 22 years old. I believe it is the most brilliant business wealth building model on the planet.
You know, why don't I retire? Why do I keep doing this? And then it occurred to me why I keep doing this. I keep doing it for the stories.
It is the fastest, easiest, most profound way to build wealth through asset income for the rest of your life based on one business that you built in 3 or 4 years.
Well, we have a few people here in the audience that are dear friends, and I've chosen to ask a couple questions. I'm gonna start with Richard Brooke. Richard is an ambassador in our profession. He's a dear friend, and Richard, fire away.
Sir Richard, you have an incredible early history of being a courageous and pioneering entrepreneur, and the word that comes up for me is trust. There's tens of thousands here and watching who's maybe our biggest challenge in taking our business to the marketplace is to get the marketplace to trust us as somebody they don't know, trust our business model, our word of mouth direct selling model. 2 or 3 ideas on how we can conduct ourselves as individuals to create that trust?
In the end, I think the product that you're selling speaks for itself, and I think word of mouth is absolutely key. So as I was saying earlier, there's unless your product is genuinely the best in its field, you're not going to get that word of mouth. If it is the best in its field, you're going to get that word of mouth. And it's not just the word of mouth. You've got to, the people who are working for you have got to believe in what they're selling. They've got to believe that they're they're selling something pretty special. And then, I mean, obviously, the people you're selling to must feel that that it's good value for money as well, and that they're not being taken for a ride. So, I don't know. Would you like to say what those would be my thoughts, but have you got any others you'd like to add?
Well, sure. We're also, Richard, selling an income opportunity. So we're not only selling products, we're selling the opportunity for people to come in and build their own small business, their own empire. And so we end up talking about money and how much money people can make and how easy it might be or how challenging it might be. And I think one of the biggest challenges we have as a profession historically is we haven't been as transparent with our prospects, as honest with our prospects as we could have been to create that trust and that track record. And that's probably one of our biggest challenges and opportunities moving forward, is conduct ourselves in a transparent and trustworthy way to create that track record and that brand.